Hello, Tesfaye here from the Tutorial Academy. Thank you very much for coming. This is Oromo tutorial for communication purposes. We are dealing with different topics in different areas that is useful for communicating with Afan Oromo. And thank you for the interest in learning Afan Oromo. In the last videos, we have been dealing with WH questions like what, when, where, and so on. And in this video, we're gonna continue with our last such questions and the words that we use to phrase different questions in Afan Oromo and ask questions in those different words. So today we're going to learn when, yom, when, which means yom. Specifically, this is for time, and that's also for time in English as well, and the same as in Oromo. So when we ask different questions related to time, we ask when, yom in Afan Oromo as well. Let's see some possible questions, a few of the things that we can ask in using yom as a question, as a questioning word, as a WH questions. Today we will see two, when and which, and we will see one by one after the other. Sorry. So when did you come? Yom dhufte. Yom dhufte. That's exactly the same question. When did you come? When dhufte. We can also avoid one E and make that dhufte short. Yom dhufte. That's also possible. Yom dhufte is a question. Yom dhufte is a question. The same question. When are you leaving? Yom deemta. Yom deemta. Yom deemta. We can also make this word shorter, this sound shorter, and by taking off one A, Yom deemta. Yom deemta. Or Yom deemta. Yom deemta. Yom deemta. That's the same question, but in different contexts. We use these questions in different contexts, but always the questions are maybe always feel correct when they are longer like this. Yom deemta is a question tone. Yom deemta is also a question, but the tone is now like continuing communication, just asking for information as well. So that is the same thing. When are you born? Yom dhalatte. Yom dhalatte. Yom dhalatte. When were you born? When are you born? Yom dhalatte. We can also make it shorter as before. Yom dhalatte. Yom dhalatte. Yom dhalatte. Yom dhalatte. Both are correct. When is Christmas? Ayyaanni qillee yoomii? Ayyaanni qillee yoomii? We're all possible asking ways to the same question. When do we get peace? When do we get peace? Yoom nagaa arganne. Yoom nagaa arganne. Naga is peace. Yom naga arganne. Or we can avoid as well as others. Yom naga arganne. Yom naga arganne. Yom naga arganne. Yom naga arganne. Same thing. When are you coming? Yom dhufta. Look at the first question. Yom dhufte. When did you come? Yom dhufta. When are you coming? Yom dhufta. You can also make it shorter again. Yom dhufta. Yom dhufta. Yom dhufta. All both possible. When are we meeting? Yom wal arginaa. Yom wal arginaa. Yom wal arginaa. Yom wal argina. Still make it short. Yom wal argina. Yom wal arginaa. The same question. Maybe the longer looks like more polite. Yo molargina, that's more polite way of asking. Yo molargina than that. Okay? For when, for what time, for what era, like your myth, for when is this? Your myth kun, your myth. Okay? We can ask lots of questions like this, and we'll go to the next one. This is which come. Which is come. Kami or come. Oh, which country you prefer? Sorry for the ease, it shouldn't be there. Which country you prefer? Biyya kam feeta? Biyya kam feeta? Which direction is airport? Dirreen xiyyaara gara kamii? There is a question mark here. I don't think you see it. Dirreen xiyyaara means airport. Xiyyaara means plane. Dirree means field. So it's like a port. Dirreen xiyyaara gara kamii? Which way is airport? Which direction is airport? Which is which? Come to kamii. Come to kamii is exactly the same. Come to kamii, the same word repeated but in different spelling. So come to kamii. We can't say kami. It's meaningless. Kamii is still not good for that question. Come to kamii is which is which. Kamii is which ones. Which ones? Plural kam. Which ones you like me to bring? Kam fidnan jette. But which is come to kamii. Which shoes you liked? Kophee kam jaalatte. Kophee is shoes. Kophee kam jaalatte. Kophee kam jaalatte. Which color is nice? Sorry, I miss is. Maybe that is was here jumped up. I'm kidding. Which color is nice? Halluu kamitu gaariidha? Halluu kamitu gaariidha? Halluu is color. Gaarii is nice. So halluu kamitu gaariidha? Which one? There's just one question. Isa kami? Which one? Isa kami? Isa kami? That's it. I have a question. Yom dhufu? What does this means in English? Yom dhufu? When can I come? When did he come? When will they come? Which one is the correct one? Just write your letter in the comment area and I will correct you. And if you have any other questions related to this or any other, please don't hesitate to ask and I will try my best to answer or give you answer if this translation and translate for you. And I hope you learn Afaan Oromoo. So we finished the WH questions in Afaan Oromoo. Over here we have seen about 6 of them. Okay, and if you have any other one I should cover, you like me I cover, please let me know. I can make a video on those as well. Thank you very much and have a nice time. Bye bye.